NECO Mathematics 2024 Theory Question 8. A cone has a radius of 10 cm and a slant height of 26 cm. Find the Roman figure 1 total surface area correct to 1 decimal place. Roman figure 2 volume of the cone correct to 2 decimal places. Roman figure 3 angle of the sector that formed the cone correct to the nearest degree. Let's take the solution. We have to draw the cone so that we can fit in the various parameters. This is the structure of a cone. Then you have a circular base. Okay, circular base, we have it this way. This is the height of the cone, then the base radius. From the question, the radius is 10 cm, so this is 10 cm. We have a right circular cone. The slant height is 26 cm, while the main height h is unknown. In order to do any other thing, we need to find the height. You have to recall that the height, the slant height, and the radius are connected by Pythagoras rule in this way: L square equal to h square plus r square. The slant height is the hypotenuse considering the right angled triangle, and that is 26. You square it, equal to h is unknown, the radius is 10. You have to square it. Square of 26 is 676 equal to h square plus 100. Collect like terms. You have 676 minus 100 equal to h square. If you subtract from here, you have 576 equal to h square. You take the square root of both sides. H is equal to square root of 576, and that is 24 centimeters. After that, we can now move to Roman figure 1, which is total surface area of the cone. The formula is curved surface area plus area of circular base, which is pi r square. Therefore, total surface area is equal to, we can factor out pi r from here. You have pi r bracket open L plus r bracket close. Next, we have to fix in the various values and we proceed. Therefore, total surface area is equal to pi, and that is 22 over 7 times radius, that is 10, bracket open. The slant height is 26 plus radius 10, bracket close. We simplify further and we have 220. If you multiply 22 by 10 all over 7 times, bracket means multiplication. If you add from here, you have 36. On multiplication, we have 7920 all over 7. When you divide, we have 1131.4285. To one decimal place, the total surface area is approximately equal to 1131.4 square centimeters. Roman figure 2, we are to find the volume of the cone, and the formula is 1 over 3 pi r square h. The volume V is equal to 1 over 3 times pi 22 over 7 times radius 10 square times height 24. If you multiply from here, we have 22 over 21 times 10 square, that is 100 times 24. If you multiply the numerator, you have 52,800 all over 21. By the time you divide, you have 2514.2857. The volume to 2 decimal places is approximately equal to 2514.29 cube centimeters. Roman figure 3, the angle of the sector, that formed the cone, Now let's draw the sector. So this is the angle. Now we have 26. The slant side from the cone is the radius, capital R, of the sector. So let's have the cone again. You have a structure like this. You have the height, then base radius. This is 26, which is now the slant height to the cone. It is the radius to the sector. Here is 10 centimeters. We have 24 centimeters. You have to recall that the relationship between the angle of the sector, its radius, and radius of the base of the cone is r equal to theta times capital R over 360 degrees. We are interested in the angle theta. If you apply change of subject of the formula, theta becomes 360 degrees times small arrow over capital arrow. Next, we fixed in the various values. So theta is equal to 360 degrees times 10 all over 26. If you multiply the numerator, you have 3600 degrees divided by 26. Theta is equal to 138.461 degrees. To the nearest whole number, the angle of the sector that formed the cone is approximately equal to 138 degrees.